If you look right there, you see them 4 little ears. It's 2 little baby fawns looking at me. There's a doe down here that usually has 2 babies every year, and she has them right down here, and they always bed down here in the pecans. I'm sure they enjoy eating our cover crops. Look at that. Might get some pecans this year. I haven't had pecans grow in the past like 4 or 5 years. They've made like they were going to, and then they just don't make any. But now he actually got some on the trees. A lot of them. It's awesome. I actually have to come down here and mow around all these trees and get out the pecan pickers. Let's check a couple of these other ones. That one does not have any pecans on it. This one has pecans on it. A lot of them. This pecan tree right here on this pond makes the best pecans on the place. Let's see if it has any on like it has a few, not as many as that other one did though. Well, we were finally able to get down here and haul some dirt down here and put on this pond dam. I'm gonna haul a couple more loads. Hopefully it doesn't wash that out. We were able to haul some more dirt. That was good. It's been dry enough, so we've been able to go over here and check some of these other pecans. Some of these older trees just don't make pecans. Yeah, this one's got some on it. Cleaned out this entire fence down here, then it rained again, and that's what happened. So I got to get back down here and do some more work to it again. Big old tree right here has got some little bitty ones on it. As long as the worms don't get to them, which they probably will, because we don't spray them or treat them for anything, but every once in a while. This tree got struck by lightning on the other side over here. down here and check the tree that's got paper shells and see if it's making any. Oh yeah, this one's doing good. It's loaded. Look at that. I don't know a whole lot about pecans, but I think some of these get some type of fungus on them, and it causes them to get rotten. Anyway, we'll see if it produces any good ones or not. Pretty much all I know about pecans is how to crack them and eat them, and that's about it. I think there's probably 20 big pecan trees down here. And this one's got a few on it, but not many. This one's got a few on it. Well, anyway, that's good. Hopefully we can get 10 or 15 gallons of good pecans.